Did you know you can get credit for internet service outages? This is Roctos, and in today's quick tip, I will show you how to request a credit. Log into your internet service profile and navigate to your billing area. In your billing section, look for anything relating to billing support, such as billing issues, reporting an outage, or requesting a credit. My specific outage lasted for a few hours, so the downtime is automatically prorated for me. Here I select the dates when the service was affected. On my example, I am happy with what I see, and so I continue by clicking Get Account Credit. You should be able to see the credit applied to the current or upcoming billing cycle within a day. Congratulations! You have learned how to request a credit when an outage occurs. Not all internet service providers work this easily. Sometimes you will need to use a chat assistant or call support directly. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. This channel is brand new, and I hope to keep it alive with more tech tips and tricks that are easy to follow.